us joining us live from outside Yashwant Verma's residence. Brian, we've seen such an unprecedented move that has been taken place. Supreme Court decided to make these photos, these videos public. So what exactly does this move mean for the judiciary?
Well, yeah, definitely. Now, it's a, first of a kind move where it was clearly stated that, the Supreme Court, chose to publicly put everything, all the documents, the videos that have been done, everything have been put on their website as well. And also, very importantly, there were three very important questions also that was posed by Sanjeev Khanna. One was very importantly, how do you explain the presence of the cash? What is the source of it? And who removed or who is responsible for the removal of the burnt cash? Very importantly also, the statement of Yashwant Verma is very stern and very steady, clearly stating that he has nothing to do with it. Not only him, but his family has nothing to do with this, and it is, it is done to malign his image. The conspiracy is done against him. And also, very importantly, I'll show you the residence also of Yashwant Verma. Very importantly, and a very important aspect of this residence, when you see, this is the only door, only gate for entering or exiting. There are no other entrances or exits apart from this very gate. And this very residence was that place where at this very outhouse, at the very warehouse itself, that cash was was got out on the 15th. And when this very report, this very investigation started out, and very importantly also, Yashwant Verma's statement have been very stern and have been very firm from day one, saying that he has nothing to do with this. His family, it is done to malign his image, to put a tarnish on image. He said that he has a decade-long journey, a decade-long reputation. He has built his reputation, but all of it is done to just malign his image. Now, yes, an internal internal investigation of a 3-member committee has also been involved by the by Sanjeev Khanna as well. So these as per these investigation is going on also, the statement of Yashwant Verma becomes very important also. Right now also, he is not at his residence. This residence is vacant as of now. The servants are there, and earlier also when the report came out, it clearly stated that no one except him or his family had access to the outhouse, to which he clearly denied and said CPW officials, some CPW officials, the servants and gardeners had access to this this very outhouse. And here also, when you see, the gates have been opening also, because there have been other going and coming as well, so you can get a perspective of the house also that is there. And this is that very place, this is that very hub where this very incident took place. Riya.
Brian, in terms of the investigation, who exactly is under the lens right now when we're talking about, as you have clearly stated, that's the only gate that one can enter from?
Well, Riya, see, again, the lens, who is in lens becomes very important, is because the entire investigation is against that one man, that is Yashwant Verma and his family, to which he denied that his family has nothing to do, he has nothing to do. It's an open access, the servants, the gardeners, the CPWD officials, they have access to it. So clearly he is trying to put it on to others. And when these 3 questions were also posed against him, like how does he explain the presence of the cash or money in the room located at his premises, to which he denied that no, it is not his premises, it is the outhouse. Then what is the source of the cash said in the room, to which he said no, it is the sources, he doesn't know about it. And he is also shocked when he saw the videos, when he saw the photos. He is also utterly shocked when he got to know that something of that sort have been found against him, because he said he has made a decade-long reputation, and suddenly it has been done to malign his image, because he was not even at his home when this fire incident has happened. And the third is who removed the burnt cash from the room on the morning. So to which also he said that he was not even there, he had a flight somewhere, so that his family was also not there, to which he said that how would someone remove the burnt cash notes if there was no one. So there were replies from him that was also posted on Supreme Court's website also, along with the pictures and videos also of the firefighting team who got the cash, and then the next day also, Justice Upadhyay also reached there to have a report, to have an understanding, to get a stock of the situation, what was happening. So the investigation is clearly against this very man. Whose residence outside we are, who is not clearly at his residence. So yes, the lens is on this very man, Ria.
We also have with us Ankita Tiwari, Advocate High Court, joining us on the telecast. Ankita Tiwari, in terms of this move